Now let me show you the usage of variables in print statement. I'm deleting everything, and here my intention is to just write a sentence like my name is say Anne and I am say 15 years old. So obviously you can write it like print and give the whole sentence as a single string like this. Now I am going to slightly modify this program. I wanted to assign the name of the person in a variable, say n is equal to a string and next again I'm going to use another variable, say age, and I'm assigning it with a value equal to 15. And instead of directly printing these two, I wanted to print the same line by using these two variables. For that, let's see how you can do that. I will be writing like print my name is, so that is a first string, and the next I'm going to write it as n, which is holding the name, and give a comma and give the next string as I am, and give the next argument as the variable age. And we haven't finished, we have to give one more argument to print this part, 15-year-old full stop. So for that I'm going to write years old and full stop. Now understand this a bit. So here this part of your string and this part of your string need to be replaced with appropriate variables, which are n and age. For that, first you will be writing the first part of the string, which is my name is. Then instead of directly giving the name, we use the variable. So when a variable is given as an argument to the print statement, instead of printing its name, its value will be printed. So here you have assigned the variable named n with a value which is a string and therefore when n is printed by using the print statement, its value will be printed, which is nothing but the string and after that I am will be printed. And next again you are giving another variable with the name age, which is holding a value which is a number 15. And again, when a variable with a number is given as an argument to the print statement, the number will be displayed as you see it, which is nothing but 15. So the print function will print 15 here, and finally it will be printing years old. Also notice that we haven't given a space here after the is, because after every argument a space will be automatically added by the print statement by default, and thus we are skipping this space and this space. Now let's save this, run and see the output. So you can say that the first line is printed with the first print statement, which is printing the whole world as it is, and the second line was printed by using the second print statement, which was using variables to print the first again. And if we compare these two, we can see that a full stop in between this is missing. And think about how can you add a full stop here. So the best place to add the full stop will be just before I am, because you wanted to print it after printing the name. Now save and execute the program again. And you can see that a full stop is added. But as always, after printing an argument, a space will be added by default, and therefore you will be seeing an extra space here before the full stop after printing the name. There are ways to modify this still, but it's okay for the time being and we can ignore it.